Everybody, Eric Hendrickson giving you the Mortgage Minute for the week of April 19th. Well, kind of more of the same again today, a lot of uncertainty. End of last week, it was pretty exciting. There was talk of the Strait of Hormuz being opened up, and the flow of oil was potentially going to increase. We saw a big rally in the stock market, and we saw a nice rally in the bond market as well too, and we carved about an eighth off of the 30-year fixed mortgage rate. So a lot of excitement going into the weekend, and then announcement from Iran that the strait is not open. The U.S. was blockading on their end, the strait as well too. So a lot of uncertainty, a lot of threats over the weekend, kind of leading into this week. It looks like we're going to lose a little bit of that gain that we enjoyed at the end of last week. But I think as long as bonds are not dropping, I think the markets will be a little bit patient just to see what happens. But I do think this week could be where the rubber meets the road as they talk about to what direction this conflict's going to go. If there will be some meaningful peace, or if there will be escalation again too. There's supposed to be some talks, on again, off again. We'll see. Overshadowing really the economic reports, but we do have a couple coming out this week. We have the retail sales, which is always looked at as a little bit of a bellwether for economic activity, and then we have some flash PMIs, which are just economic activity level indicators. So again, it'll be a little bit of a show on the level of economic activity, and has this higher oil price had some impact on business out there. So again, we're unfortunately back testing our patience here, watching the market, watching for developments, and keeping our fingers crossed that it'll find a pathway to peace first and foremost, and that it will help us bring interest rates down. Thanks, have a great week.